Hey creators, in the next 2 minutes, I'll be sharing with you a tiny tip that could make a huge difference on how your video perform on YouTube. That is renaming your video and thumbnail files before uploading on YouTube. Yeah, I know that sounds basic, but listen up. Most people just export their file as finaleDit.mp4, 7261.mp4, or even a project.mp4. So now here is the thing. YouTube actually read those file names. And yes, the algorithm uses them as an extra signal to understand what your video is all about. So instead of renaming something like video123.mp4 or maybe 6761.mp4, you could rename your video file as How to Grow on YouTube in 2025. Remember, we are not talking about the title of the video, rather it's the file name of that particular export you just did before uploading. And don't forget to also rename your thumbnail file with the same name you used in renaming the video file. For example, YouTube Growth Tips thumbnail.jpg. This small step helps to reinforce your title, tags, and description. It tells the YouTube algorithm, hey, this video is all about how to grow on YouTube in 2025. And the more clues you give to the algorithm, the better chance it has to rank and recommend your video to the right audience. You don't need to go overboard. Just make sure that your target keywords are in the video file name and the thumbnail file name. So if you've been skipping this important step, now you know better. Rename those files, boost your SEOs, and let the algorithm work for you. So let me know in the comment section if this video was actually helpful. And if you want to know about 7 things you should never do after uploading a video on YouTube, I've made this video specially for you. You could click this video and check it out. And I'll see you in my next video.